Sas, nag-set. Antay ako.
Antay ka? Just don't move, just don't move.
No, I know, bro. I mean, you don't go.
Let's stay calm.
Your blood is green.
But it's green, I'm happy.
And for today's video guys, so papacheck up natin si Papa guys kasi weak daw siya guys. Tingin ko sa kidney niya yan, kidney stone. So yan. So, let's go. Tara! Biscocho.
Let's check if this one go inside.
Ah, pwede naman. Sige. Sige. Weak talaga siya guys. Let's go. Laboratory muna tayo. Si doktor ito si. Okay, abante. Ah, sige, yes. Ma'am, pwede kasi na pwede ka laboratory.
But emergency room.
Emergency room is this way.
Wala?
To go inside.
Yeah.
Kila?
60, 70, 80, 96.
96 kilo.
Are you losing weight?
How much kilo you have?
Maybe, no, 6.
6 kilo?
Oh.
Check the oxygen level to your body.
Oxygen level?
Yes. This is false oximeter.
Yeah, sometimes they are lacking oxygen.
To make sure to check the oxygen. Which is okay. 97%.
Means normal. So I can just well. First I did one surgery kidney stone. And the second time after 7 years I did with a laser. They bomb it inside and they destroy the stone. Then the third time come out alone with you're familiar with the silicone.
Procedure?
Between
124/86.
124.
124.
Kaya normal yan.
Where I can sign. Very good. No, but mine is always high.
High blood.
So smooth.
Kakawit man mo ito.
Ito ba ng kaso?
I forgot the face, but I remember it.
Lamig kayo?
Lamig kayo. But there's a lot of fun.
Now, the laboratory is the office. They start to buy pizza.
A laboratory?
Yeah, they will order twice.
I ordered
That week.
Yeah.
I went to open my store. And I went to the barbero to shave. Tapos, I feel totally weak. And then I said, okay, I go back, sleep home. And I went home. And,
But you did not pass out. You did not pass out.
pass out.
Collapse ba?
No.
Okay. And then?
No, I was driving also the motor. No problem.
Okay.
The point is, my real problem is inside. I'm not a doctor, but with all my sickness I have in my past, I become also a doctor. I did a surgery one time, 2 times for the kidney stone, 1987, and 95, I went back again, another kidney stone or something.
Same kidney.
Same urethra, yeah. And they bombing with ultrasound. Tapos na. 2003, I was really here permanent. In 2001, I have this problem with the kidney. Then what I did, I buy somebody to be actually
Your blood is green.
well, it's green, I'm happy.
Sibon. Guys, inom siya ng tubig. Magkainis. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa Bugo City. So, kakain kami ng manok. You want chicken? Mang inasal. Chicken inasal. Dol, shout out ay Dol. Oh, natin followers. Lawo ko da, nurut ta. So guys, tara, let's go. O, tara. We eat mang inasal. Baka naman sponsor isang truck na manok pa. This one? Sisig.
Meat with the knife and that one it can be for me.
Yes. Okay, you mix your halo-halo. Kain. Wala po siyang kain daw guys. You eat well, you eat like a king. You eat like a prince. You eat like a king. I eat like a joker.
Anemia.
Yeah.
I'm Italian.
Okay.
Better you can say in Italian the word.
Okay.
Because
This one-
medical it comes from Italian. In medical.
Sige na. Okay.
This is for the urinalysis. There's an ongoing infection in the urine.
I have a UTI
Yeah.
infection.
Yeah, you have a UTI.
And because one is obstructed about the kidney stone, and the other one is the prostate. That's why this is the reason why.
For the past 3 months. However, it's just normal, the HbA1c.
Sugar.
Yeah. This one, this is for the electrolytes, the sodium and the potassium. It's also normal.
I saw now come up 3 point. I had last time I did the laboratory in Bacolod, 2.5.
Oh, that's low.
Oh yeah. I know.
So I'm gonna prescribe you with an antibiotic for the UTI, okay?
UTI raya
Only
naman.
that?
UTI.
Only for that?
Sana naman, mukhang kidney.
No, it's okay. But I didn't mention to you. What was
the test for the kidney function test?
Bibili tayo ng medicina para sa UTI. Nandito kami sa North Med guys. So, another laboratory na naman to. Oh. Oh, may labot sa paano na yung kaon na ninyo.
Wala, kanino ka. Solo.
Kabutan na namin Very good.
and the they ask payment.
Wala naman inyo ha? Okay na?
Ground floor, no? Hindi pa naging puyan.
Hindi pa lagi po yan. Napep-shock mo?
Kung tupuyan, gano'n ka na akong van.
Kaski.
Okay.
So, smell yourself. Taya ko.
Tahi ka. Just don't move. Just don't
No,
move.
I know, bro. I mean, you don't go.
Let's stay calm. Wow.
Tapos, how you can do without